When you invest into the equity market, one of the biggest question, one of the biggest dilemma every investor will have is when to sell a stock, when to book profit from particular stock. Friends, there is no fixed formula for it. You can sell the stock whenever you want. To maintain a good physical fitness, we have a lot of options. You can go to gym, you can go for a walk, you can do yoga. According to our flexibility, according to our interest, we can do whatever we want. In the same way, to sell a stock according to risk appetite, according to your goal, you can sell whenever you want it. Hello friends, this is Vijay and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about as markets are trading all-time high, some of the stocks which you have invested, they would have generated a good return. As an investor, should we sell the stock? Should we book the profit? Should we remain invested? As an investors, what needs to be done? What is the strategy? Friends, in this video, I am going to discuss about it. Friends, here I would like to divide investor into two parts. The first one is mutual fund investor. The second one is direct equity investor. If you are a mutual fund investor, you no need to worry about the market ups and downs. You can remain invested until you reach your financial goal. When you invest into the mutual fund, your portfolio will be managed by the professional fund managers. They will rebalance your portfolio according to the market ups and downs. That's the reason you no need to worry about the market ups and downs. If you are investing into the direct stock, here you have two scenarios. Let's say that you have invested in a particular stock and it has generated a good return. Now you have a question whether to book profit or remain invested. The second scenario is the stock which you have invested, it corrected a lot. Now you are sitting under a loss. Now you have a question whether to exit from the stock or remain invested. When you invest in a stock, you will invest in a business. When business do well, automatically stock will create a huge wealth in the long term. That's why Warren Buffett always says that I don't buy a stock, I buy a great business. When you buy a great business, it will create a huge wealth in the long term. Now I would like to discuss about first scenario. Let's say that you have invested in a particular stock and stock has generated a good return. Now you are confused whether to book profit or still remain invested. Here you need to ask two questions. What is the valuations of the company? Valuations are super expensive. Along with that, you need to ask what is the future growth of the company? If valuations are expensive, if the future growth is not bright, then you can sell the stock. Before selling any stock, you need to ask the question, if the valuations are super expensive, if the future growth is not bright, then you can sell the stock. Now I would like to discuss about second scenario. Let's say that you have invested in a particular stock has corrected a lot, now you are sitting under loss. Now the question is whether to sell the stock or still remain invested. Here, first you need to identify what is the reason behind the correction. Is this external reason or internal reason? If it is external reason, is it due to hyperinflation? Is it due to increasing raw material price? Is it due to economic slowdown? If it is for an external reason, you can still remain invested. In that time, you can add more quantity. I would like to give one example. It's been more than 2 years now. IT stocks are not doing good. The major reason is, as we know that there is a hyperinflation in USA, there is economic slowdown in USA. Because of that, IT stocks are not doing good. In that time, you can remain invested. If it is an internal reason, change in fundamentals, change in leadership, unethical business term, in that situation, you can sell the stock. When it comes to the long-term investment, time is the best friend for good companies. Time is the enemy for bad companies. Warren Buffett, he has been holding the Coca-Cola stock since 1990, which has been a biggest wealth creator for Warren Buffett. Friends, it's your money, it's your investment. You can sell the stock whenever you want it. There is no fixed formula for it. Friends, I hope you find this video useful. If you like this video, please to subscribe, please to share it with your community. Thank you so much.